Hi, my name is Adria Laycraft. I'm an editor, an author, and a woodcarver. I love to carve cottonwood bark, and I have a YouTube channel called Carving the Cottonwood. I've also visited and interviewed other wood carvers for my channel, and I've tried other woods like basswood, cedar, and alder to name a few. But cottonwood bark is my all-time favorite. I collect it all along the rivers of Alberta and BC in Canada. It's amazing what you can carve with a decent chunk. It's also amazing what you can carve from the smallest pieces. My biggest problem is that I have too many things that I want to be carving right now. I also have a rather large collection of wood in waiting. Big, small, and everything in between. So, I'm proposing a challenge to myself. It's a two-part challenge. The first part may sound really easy, but for me it isn't. No more collecting wood for a little while. I love collecting wood along the river, going for walks. That's going to be a hard one to keep. But seriously, the real challenge is to carve my way through all the bark I found in northern BC and all the bark I had in storage while I was on the road, and all the projects that landed in the project timeout corner and never got finished. I'd like to tackle those as well. Hopefully this will mean more videos for you guys. Welcome to the new workshop, by the way. So don't forget to subscribe and like and share and all that good stuff to help me keep going. And I promise I'll keep carving.